Buy the iconic 3D printer. Why? Speedy, reliable, ready to go.
And now, it's upgraded. P2S is here. Brand new 5-inch touchscreen.
So easy, even your grandma can use it.
Of course.
Just touch. More power.
Means more speed.
Smooth printing every time. Great results every time. Easy nozzle swaps. Ready for another print. Spaghetti? Blobbing? Relax. It's got your back. Everything's under control. Go have a cup of tea. Or soak up the applause. Mix and match. Change the style.
PLA, ABS, CPU, perfection every time.
Oh, and remember, give them a quick dry. Make it hot. Goodbye warping. Make it cool. Improved overhang. Print, print, print.
Pick up the prints.
Make your ideas a reality. The most popular, for a reason. This time, no substitutes. The classic, reborn. P2S, the icon redefined.